Okay, guys, we're getting ready to do a math project that I think you guys will have fun with. But I wanted to ask a few questions to start off with today. You guys like cooking? Who in here likes to cook or bake?
I do.
Do you like to cook or do you like to bake?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like to cook or yeah, you like to bake?
Bake.
What do you like to bake?
Cookies.
Who do you bake cookies with?
Everyone.
Do you do anything silly when you're doing it? Like, do you play silly music or
Dance.
You dance? Okay, you dance around the kitchen while you're doing it?
Yeah.
Well, that's cool. Okay. Well, today we're going to do something really cool with learning about measurements. Now, does anybody in here know what measurements are when you're cooking or baking?
Me.
What are they?
July.
What?
Cups, ounces, and gallons.
Okay. Do you know what the difference with any of those are?
Bigger, smaller, and smaller.
Let me show you some information here. I found this stuff out. I think y'all are going to really think it's cool. Watch this. So, the largest unit, they call stuff like, gallons and cups and ounces. They call them units. And the largest unit that you use when you're baking and measuring is a gallon. Like a gallon of milk. Then your second largest is, what do you think this is a picture of?
Milk.
Yes, it's a picture of milk, sorry. Is this, what size do you
Quart.
think this is? Quart. This one here is another small unit used
Milk.
to measure. What size do you think this is? Starts with a P.
Pint.
Pint. Very good.
I'm so smart.
Now the smallest one we have would be what?
Ounces.
A cup. Teacup, cup, ounces. Well, when I found this information out, I found out that the smallest unit of measurement when you're dealing with liquids is a cup. Kind of like your little teacup. You have a favorite mug?
I'm not allowed to
Regular
use
cup at your
those.
house? You're not what?
Those are big boy cups.
Okay. All right. Big boy cups. Well, anyway, so a pint. This is a pint right here, we said, right?
Yeah.
So a pint is, watch this, 2 cups. 2 cups is in 1 pint. That makes sense.
Yeah.
So here is my pint, and here is the cup. See? You put 1, 2. 2 cups equals 1 pint. Now this one shows a different picture of what? What do you see here? 2
Pints.
pints. 2 pints equals
A gallon.
Quart. Q-U-A-R-T spells quart, right? Starts with a Q, not a G. So anyway, next one we have up on this side of the board is we have 4 of, what are these?
Bottles.
Bowls?
Bottles.
Bottles. But earlier you saw the same picture over here. What was the picture?
Bottle.
It was
quart.
a
Pint
quart.
of milk.
Very good. A quart. Very, very
Teacher's
good.
daughter.
So 4 quarts equals, what's that a picture of?
Milk. A gallon.
A gallon of milk. Sorry, I keep forgetting to double check on how I'm asking you about that. Like, good grief. So, when you think of, listen to this, I found this really cool trick to remember about how a quart, 1 quart sounds like a quarter. So, if you have 1 quarter in 4 quarts, you get 1 gallon because you get 1/4. 1 is on the top and the 4 is on the bottom. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So here we have how many gallons are in 8 quarts. Well, you see the picture. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, how many? 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we take it and we separate it in 2 holes, This half is 1 gallon. This half is another gallon. How many gallons is that?
2.
2 gallons. Very good. But in our project that we're doing today, I'm going to give you this piece of paper. I want you guys to look at it. We're going to work together here in a minute and make something really cool, okay? So, we're going to look here and see that on your sheet it says how many cups of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is this picture up here, and it's what we use to make sidewalk chalk and some other things. But it says how much plaster of Paris do you need for your recipe? How many do you need?
1 cup.
1 cup. Very good. But later on down you look and it says how many fluid ounces of plaster of Paris does 1 cup convert to?
8.
So how did you figure that out?
I really.
Did you just guess it?
Yeah.
8 is
No
on the
way.
board.
Well,
It
that's
is
my
on the
number
board.
in soccer.
That's right. You're paying attention to the pictures that I
Oh,
drew
yeah.
up here and posted. Okay, that's a good idea. So what do you think you need to do to convert this? So to convert a cup, which is right here, to convert this cup into ounces, how do you think you would have to do it?
Find out how many ounces are in a cup.
Right. So we look here and it says 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. Now when you look at this cup right here, you can see it. Here's 1 cup on this side. And then when you look on this side, you see it says 8 ounces. But you have to multiply it when you're not paying attention to the cup. So 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. Why? Because you have to multiply however many cups you're using by 8. Because 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. So 2 cups. Here's 2 cups right here. How many fluid ounces can you figure out would be in that 2 cups?
16.
16. And how did you figure that out?
There's 8 and 1.
8 and 1. And how did you do the multiplication?
Plus 8.
What times 8?
2.
2 times 8 equals
16.
Right, very good, very good. So, so based on these pictures here, what we're going to do is, with our form, our paper we have, we're going to make something really cool. And what we're going to make is sidewalk chalk. Who does not love sidewalk chalk? And we're going to take all of this stuff here that I have, and we're going to come over here to the back table, and here's our cups, and we're going to try to figure it out. Where's the measurements? Where did we say the measurements were?
On the board.
There we go, on the board. So, how about this real quick? Just so that I can make sure you understand what I'm talking about before we get to that, I want to show you guys just this cute little video, okay? This video has a cute little song to it, okay? And the song kind of is really cool. It'll just kind of stick with your head. You ever hear a song and it just kind of, like your ABCs or something like that? So we're going to listen to this one real quick. Listen, it's going to show you.
1 gallon split into 4s is 4 quarts. Take that and divide by 2 and you got a pint. Split that pint up into halves and make a cup. And that cup will fit 8 fluid ounces inside of it. 1 gallon is 4 quarts. 8 pints or 16 cups. 1 quart
guys to pick a partner